A device that combines cutting-edge technology, stunning design, and unparalleled performance. Meet the Vivo V40, the latest marvel in the world of smartphones, and let's explore why it's creating such a buzz. The Vivo V40 sports a stunning design that's sure to catch your eye. With dimensions of 164.2 x 75 by 7.6 mm and a weight of just 190 grams, it's sleek and comfortable to hold. The phone features a glass front and back with a plastic frame, giving it a premium feel without the added weight. Additionally, the V40 is IP68 dust and water resistant, which means it can withstand submersion in up to 1.5 meters of water for 30 minutes. This makes it a perfect companion for all your adventures, whether you are at the beach or by the pool. The Vivo V40 boasts a 6.78-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 1260x2800 pixels, offering crisp and vibrant visuals. The 120Hz refresh rate ensures smooth scrolling and an enhanced gaming experience. What sets this display apart is its peak brightness of 4500 nits, making it easily viewable even under direct sunlight. With a screen-to-body ratio of approximately 90.1%, you get an immersive viewing experience that's perfect for watching movies, playing games, or browsing through your social media feeds. The Vivo V40 is powered by the Qualcomm SM7550 Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 chipset, built on a 4nm process. This octa-core processor, consisting of one 2.63 GHz Cortex-A715 core, three 2.4 GHz Cortex-A715 cores, and four 1.8 GHz Cortex-A510 cores, ensures a seamless and powerful performance. Paired with the Adreno 720 GPU, the V40 can handle intensive gaming and multitasking with ease. Whether you are switching between apps or playing the latest games, this phone delivers a smooth and lag-free experience. The Vivo V40 comes with a dual-camera setup that includes two 50MP sensors. The primary 50MP wide camera has an aperture of f1.9 and features PDAF and OIS, ensuring sharp and stable shots even in low-light conditions. The secondary 50MP ultra-wide camera has an aperture of f2.0 and a 119-degree field of view, perfect for capturing expansive landscapes or group photos. The camera system is equipped with Zeiss optics, a ring LED flash, panorama, and HDR capabilities. For video recording, you can shoot in 4K at 30 frames per second or 1080p at 30 frames per second with gyro EIS and OIS for steady footage. Selfie lovers will appreciate the 50MP front camera of the Vivo V40. With an aperture of f2.0 and a wide-angle lens, you can capture detailed and vibrant selfies. The front camera also supports HDR and can record videos in 4K at 30 frames per second or 1080p at 30 frames per second, making it perfect for vlogging or video calls. Whether you are taking a solo selfie or a group shot with friends, the Vivo V40 ensures you look your best every time. The Vivo V40 is equipped with a robust 5500 mAh non-removable battery that ensures you stay powered throughout the day. With 80W wired charging, you can quickly top up your battery when needed. The phone also supports reverse wired charging, allowing you to charge other devices using your Vivo V40. Whether you are a heavy user or just need a reliable phone for everyday use, the V40's battery performance won't disappoint. The Vivo V40 offers two storage variants, 256GB with 8GB RAM and 512GB with 12GB RAM. Both variants use UFS 2.2 storage technology, ensuring fast read and write speeds. While there's no card slot for expandable storage, the available internal storage should be more than enough for most users. You can store all your photos, videos, apps, and files without worrying about running out of space. The Vivo V40 supports Wi-Fi 802.11 ABGN-AC, dual band, Bluetooth 5.4, and USB Type-C 2.0 with OTG. The phone also includes GPS, Galileo, GLONASS, QZSS, and BDS for precise positioning. NFC is available for contactless payments and other uses. The Vivo V40 comes with an array of sensors including an under-display optical fingerprint sensor, accelerometer, gyro, proximity sensor, and compass, ensuring a seamless and intuitive user experience. The Vivo V40 is available in two stunning colors, stellar silver and nebula purple. It has a sleek and modern look that complements its high-end features. The phone runs on Android 14 with Vivo's FunTouch 14 skin, offering a clean and customizable user interface. With its impressive specs and features, the Vivo V40 is priced at €726.29, making it a great value for money. To wrap it up, the Vivo V40 is a powerhouse of a smartphone that offers a perfect blend of performance, design, and functionality. Whether you are into photography, gaming, or just need a reliable phone for everyday use, the V40 has got you covered. Its impressive camera system, vibrant display, powerful chipset, and long-lasting battery make it a top contender in the smartphone market. If you are looking for a new phone that delivers on all fronts, the Vivo V40 is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching.